Hey everyone, welcome back to Mommy's Bakery's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the viral Brazilian coconut milk cake. So I've added the eggs, the sugar, and then the vanilla extract into the blender. And we're going to blend at medium-high speed for 30 to 50 seconds. If you would like to use a hand beater, you can always go ahead and do that, but I use the blender just to make it easier. So add in your milk and then the oil and blend for 50 seconds to 1 minute again. This is one of the most delicious and one of my most favourite cakes, and it's so trending right now, so I thought why not give it a shot, and it came out absolutely perfect. It's so delicious, it's almost as if you're biting into a cloud. It's so soft and milky and coconutty, just delicious. So now I'm pouring the mixture into the bowl. Now just adding in the flour and mix gently. But guys, make sure you do not overmix, as if you overmix then you get a gummy and dense type of texture, but whereas you want fluffy. Now I'm adding the desiccated coconut, and this just gives that flavour that it needs, and it just brings a little something to the cake. Now I've just cut the cake into 6 squares, and you can just see that fluffiness, and you can see the coconut bits, and my mouth is watering watching this. So now it's time for the coconut milk mixture. I've added the coconut milk, regular milk, and time for some condensed milk. This is so delicious, this sweet balance and just yummy to soak in. Now time for the vanilla extract, and you just want to thoroughly, slowly mix. Now everyone, time to soak in the cake in the coconut milk mixture. Depending on if you really want that milk cake type of taste, then soak in for longer, and also don't really necessarily squeeze the excess out. And now to top it off, you just want to coat it in the desiccated coconut. And you guys, you have to try this out. It's such a delicious recipe and so quick to make. I can't recommend this enough. If you're looking for a quick sweet treat or something for your guests, I recommend you make this. It's so delicious and super fast. You guys may be wondering why I'm wrapping the cake into foil, but this is because we want to chill the cake overnight for the best results. Now, if you're eager like me, and trust me, I don't judge, but if you want the cake quick, then a couple of hours would be perfect. But if you want the best ultimate results, then I recommend refrigerating overnight. Oh my guys, we're finished, and you guys are not ready for this burst of flavour that you're gonna get when you try this. But make sure to like, subscribe and comment, guys. This pushes us further to keep on producing more videos for you guys. But I took a bite because, you know, I had to. But just look at that fluffiness, and it's just the best. Bye!